初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
值机柜台在哪里？
Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
I would like to check in.
I would like to check in.
我想办理登机手续。
I would like to check in.
I would like to check in.
May I see your passport?
May I see your passport?
可以看一下您的护照吗？
May I see your passport?
May I see your passport?
Here is my ticket.
Here is my ticket.
这是我的机票。
Here is my ticket.
Here is my ticket.
Do you have any luggage to check?
Do you have any luggage to check?
你有行李需要托运吗？
Do you have any luggage to check?
Do you have any luggage to check?
I only have carry-on baggage.
I only have carry-on baggage.
我只有随身行李。
I only have carry-on baggage.
I only have carry-on baggage.
How many bags can I take?
How many bags can I take?
我可以带几个包？
How many bags can I take?
How many bags can I take?
Please put your bag on the scale.
Please put your bag on the scale.
请把您的包放在秤上。
Please put your bag on the scale.
Please put your bag on the scale.
Do you have any liquids inside?
Do you have any liquids inside?
您包里有液体吗？
Do you have any liquids inside?
Do you have any liquids inside?
Can I choose my seat?
Can I choose my seat?
我可以选座位吗？
Can I choose my seat?
Can I choose my seat?
I would like a window seat.
I would like a window seat.
我想要一个靠窗的座位。
I would like a window seat.
I would like a window seat.
Can I sit near the aisle?
Can I sit near the aisle?
我可以坐在靠过道的位置吗？
Can I sit near the aisle?
Can I sit near the aisle?
Is the flight on time?
Is the flight on time?
航班准点吗？
Is the flight on time?
Is the flight on time?
Has the boarding started?
Has the boarding started?
开始登机了吗？
Has the boarding started?
Has the boarding started?
What is my boarding gate?
What is my boarding gate?
我的登机口是几号？
What is my boarding gate?
What is my boarding gate?
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
飞行时间有多长？
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
May I take this through security?
May I take this through security?
我可以带这个过安检吗？
May I take this through security?
May I take this through security?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
我需要脱鞋吗？
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Where is the security check?
Where is the security check?
安检在哪里？
Where is the security check?
Where is the security check?
Please show me your boarding pass.
Please show me your boarding pass.
请出示您的登机牌。
Please show me your boarding pass.
Please show me your boarding pass.
Can I bring water on the plane?
Can I bring water on the plane?
我可以带水上飞机吗？
Can I bring water on the plane?
Can I bring water on the plane?
Where is the waiting area?
Where is the waiting area?
候机区在哪里？
Where is the waiting area?
Where is the waiting area?
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
这里有免费 WiFi 吗？
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Where can I charge my phone?
Where can I charge my phone?
哪里可以给手机充电？
Where can I charge my phone?
Where can I charge my phone?
How much longer until boarding?
How much longer until boarding?
还要多久开始登机？
How much longer until boarding?
How much longer until boarding?
Is there a delay today?
Is there a delay today?
今天有延误吗？
Is there a delay today?
Is there a delay today?
Where is the duty-free shop?
Where is the duty-free shop?
免税店在哪里？
Where is the duty-free shop?
Where is the duty-free shop?
Can I buy something to eat here?
Can I buy something to eat here?
我可以在这里买些吃的吗？
Can I buy something to eat here?
Can I buy something to eat here?
Please listen for the boarding call.
Please listen for the boarding call.
请注意听登机广播。
Please listen for the boarding call.
Please listen for the boarding call.
Where is the boarding gate?
Where is the boarding gate?
登机口在哪里？
Where is the boarding gate?
Where is the boarding gate?
May I board now?
May I board now?
我现在可以登机了吗？
May I board now?
May I board now?
Please show your passport again.
Please show your passport again.
请再次出示您的护照。
Please show your passport again.
Please show your passport again.
Welcome on board.
Welcome on board.
欢迎登机。
Welcome on board.
Welcome on board.
Where is my seat?
Where is my seat?
我的座位在哪里？
Where is my seat?
Where is my seat?
Can I put this bag in the overhead bin?
Can I put this bag in the overhead bin?
我可以把这个包放在头顶行李舱吗？
Can I put this bag in the overhead bin?
Can I put this bag in the overhead bin?
Please fasten your seat belt.
Please fasten your seat belt.
请系好安全带。
Please fasten your seat belt.
Please fasten your seat belt.
When will we take off?
When will we take off?
我们什么时候起飞？
When will we take off?
When will we take off?
How long is the flight time?
How long is the flight time?
飞行时间有多长？
How long is the flight time?
How long is the flight time?
Can I use my phone now?
Can I use my phone now?
我现在可以用手机吗？
Can I use my phone now?
Can I use my phone now?
Thank you. I am ready for the flight.
Thank you. I am ready for the flight.
谢谢，我已经准备好飞行了。
Thank you. I am ready for the flight.
Thank you. I am ready for the flight.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。